Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline. Stock reference number 4756. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the first month 2016. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin-charged petrol engine, backed by a KWB 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.4 litre CAVD 4-cylinder twin-charged petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tailgate garnish, left-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and the right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, manual type console, climate control, heated controls with seat warmer type, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp with sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.